Hello and welcome to another Divi Booster tutorial. In this video, we'll explore how to enable automatic looping for YouTube videos in the Divi video module. This feature ensures that your video content plays seamlessly and continuously, enhancing user engagement and creating a polished visual experience for your website visitors. Stay tuned as we guide you through the steps to set this up quickly and easily. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to enable automatic looping for YouTube videos in the Divi video module, the Divi Booster plugin is a great solution. With Divi Booster, a dedicated option is added to your video module settings, allowing you to toggle on the Loop YouTube Videos feature. Once enabled, your embedded YouTube content will replay automatically as soon as it finishes. This method is perfect for users who prefer a no-code approach and want to manage everything directly from the Divi Builder interface. For more details about the Divi Booster plugin, you can refer to the accompanying post. To begin, open the Divi Builder and navigate to the section or row where you'd like to add your video. Click the gray plus button to insert a new module, and from the list, select Video. This will add a video module to your design and automatically open the video module settings, where you can configure your video content. With the video module settings open, navigate to the Elements section under the Content tab. Here, you'll find an option labeled Loop YouTube Videos. Simply toggle this setting from No to Yes. This ensures your YouTube video will automatically restart and play continuously after it finishes. It's worth noting that this feature requires Divi Booster version 4.8 or newer. For more details on Divi Booster, check the accompanying post. After enabling the loop option, make sure to save your changes. Start by clicking the green checkmark at the bottom of the video module settings. Then, if the settings bar at the bottom of the Divi Builder isn't already visible, click the purple 3 dots button to reveal it. Once visible, hit the Save button to ensure all your changes to the page are stored. Finally, exit the Visual Builder so you can preview your live page and confirm the updates. Once you've completed the setup, visit your page and watch your embedded YouTube video. As the video reaches the end, it should automatically restart from the beginning and continue playing without any need for manual intervention. This confirms that your auto-looping feature is working as expected. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you can enable automatically looping YouTube videos in Divi. It's a fast and effective way to enhance your site's visual appeal and keep your audience engaged. Thank you for watching, and happy designing!